With the name of the God, it is important to check the engine before start and after start in order to keep it in good condition. The first thing explanation is prepare engine before start. Turn on lube oil priming pump. Open the pressure indicated cock for all cylinder. Check lube oil is driven from rocker arm, piston pin, crank pin, main bearing and camshaft. Then conduct air bleeding, full lube oil strainer, fuel oil strainer and fuel pump and so on. Lubricate by hand governor linkage and control device and be sure it is working smoothly. Be sure the control rack is working smoothly also. Check the indicator needle of the governor control shaft indicates the graduation between 1 to 2. Also confirm no tools or parts has been left in the crankcase before we start the engine after the engine overhaul. Check all bolts for tightness. Using filler gauge to confirm the tapped clearance for exhaust and inlet valve.